Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news with Caledonia Mining, Mawson Gold, Condor Gold and Summa Silver on Commodity TV. Caledonia Mining again announced a significant increase in the dividend to now 13 US cents per share for the quarter. This corresponds to an 8% increase compared to April 2021 and an increase of 89% since October 2019, ladies and gentlemen. It's great that shareholders are participating in the company's development in such a timely manner, and we think there is much more to come as the new central shaft is now in operation and costs will continue to fall over the next few quarters while production increases. This is successful mining how it should be, ladies and gentlemen. The target is to produce 61,000 to 67,000 ounces of gold this year and then 80,000 ounces in 2022. In the past quarter, a record production of approximately 16,710 ounces of gold was achieved, which corresponds to an increase of approximately 23.8% compared to the corresponding quarter last year. Gold production for the first half of 2021 was 29,907 ounces, up about 7.8% from the same period in 2020. Caledonia is a real no-brainer for dividends and growth. Mawson Gold announced very strong assay results from the 3 additional drill holes at its 100% owned Sunday Creek project in the Victorian Goldfields in Australia. A diamond drill hole, which was the deepest hole to date in the Apollo mine area, intersected 4.6 meters of 1.6 grams gold and 0.1% antimony and 15.3 meters with 2.2 grams gold and 2.1% antimony per ton, yielding 4.2 grams gold equivalent per ton. A second hole, which is the southeasternmost hole on Apollo, intersected 5.3 meters of 3.1 grams gold and 1.1% antimony for 4.2 grams gold equivalent from only 111 meters depth. 18 drill holes covering almost 3,000 meters have now been completed at Sunday Creek. Drilling continues and is showing great continuity of gold mineralization and working towards an initial resource. A 2,500-point soil sampling program at Sunday Creek is nearing completion and extends east-northeast from the drill areas to test the 11-kilometer trend of historic epizonal dike-hosted mineralization within the areas leased from Mawson. The integration of LiDAR data, soil samples, rock chips and geophysics is key to extending the project along strike. We are excited to see the results going forward and are very pleased with Mawson. Condor Gold has now received the final analytical results from the southern starter pit. This means that all assay results are now available for 45 diamond drill holes over 2,345 meters within and immediately below the La India starter pits. In the 2 planned high-grade starter pits with depths up to 35 meters, drill testing was carried out at 25 times 25 meters intervals. These results will be used to update the resource and reserve estimate. In summary, the infill drill program confirmed the La India starter pits to be within the fully permitted open pit. The drill test results further mitigate project risks prior to commencing production. Highlights were once again great results with 6.3 grams almost gold per ton over 8.1 meters true width from a drill depth of 38 meters directly below the starter pit. These indicate that the pit could continue to depths. Also reported were over 6 grams gold per ton over 5.8 meters true width from a drill depth of 10.2 meters and 2.36 grams gold per ton over almost 12 meters true width from a drill depth of only 7 meters, ladies and gentlemen. The drill results support the strategy to soon begin mining approximately 447,000 tons at almost 4.2 grams gold per ton for just under 60,000 ounces of gold within 35 meters from surface. These are great starting conditions for a rapid buildup of Condor's production. Summa Silver increased their deposit holdings by staking claims from an additional 1,281 acres of mineral rights adjacent to the Hughes property at Tonopah in Nevada. This newly staked portion of the property lies within 2 kilometers of the historic Tonopah mining district, which produced approximately 174 million ounces of silver and 1.86 million ounces of gold at grades of 679 grams silver and 7.2 grams gold per ton prior to 1950. The Hughes property now covers almost 4,000 acres, and although the newly staked claims are immediately adjacent to the Tonopah district, they are largely underexplored or unexplored due to the presence of post-mineralized cap rocks. Ongoing geological and geochemical evaluation in the field, together with previously announced concession by geophysics, has demonstrated the significant potential of the area for both high-grade silver-gold veins and disseminated mineralization for cluster tonnages. We expect a lot of news coming out as the 10,000 meter drill program is in full swing with 14 holes completed and almost 7,000 meters drilled. All holes have intersected zones of quartz veins, stockworks and breccias, most of which have had visible silver sulfur salt minerals, often a strong indication that the core is mineralized. Once the samples are received, the results will be compiled and announced in a timely manner. We look forward to the results and think this will give the share a boost. Please note the disclaimer, which is superimposed now. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.